Welcome back to Battlezone, the home of raw power, speed, and two-wheel domination. Today, we dive deep into one of the most anticipated motocross machines of the decade, the all-new 2026 Kawasaki KX450. The KX series has always been about one thing: winning. From the factory tracks to championship podiums, Kawasaki's KX lineup is known for shaping legends. But the 2026 model takes things to a whole new level, redefining performance, control, and design. So, buckle up, motocross fans, because what you're about to see is pure Kawasaki evolution in motion. A legend reimagined. Kawasaki didn't just tweak the 2026 KX450, they rebuilt it from the ground up. Every nut, bolt, and contour has been designed with one mission: to dominate every lap. This new generation features a completely revised frame, improved centralized mass, and race-inspired ergonomics that make it sharper, faster, and more responsive than ever before. When Kawasaki engineers say, "race ready," they mean it. The 2026 KX450 isn't a bike for beginners, it's built for riders who crave championship performance and precision handling. Engine. Let's talk about what lies at the heart of this beast: the 449cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. Kawasaki has made significant updates to its intake and exhaust systems, optimizing airflow for higher RPM efficiency. This translates into crisper throttle response, more torque in the low and mid-range, and an explosive top end that tears through straights like lightning. To complement this, the new 44mm throttle body paired with advanced ECU mapping ensures smoother power delivery and instant response, no matter how hard you push it. And yes, Kawasaki fans will love this: the 2026 KX450 finally gets an updated electric start system that's lighter and faster, allowing for seamless restarts mid-race. Transmission and power delivery. Power means nothing without control, and Kawasaki knows it. The 2026 KX450 features a 5-speed transmission refined for tighter gear ratios, giving you the flexibility to tackle both tight corners and wide-open stretches with confidence. The hydraulic clutch system, co-developed with Bractec, provides consistent lever feel and reduces fatigue during long motos. No more fading clutch or inconsistent bite. This setup ensures precision engagement every time. Add to that the Kawasaki Launch Control Mode, which helps riders get that perfect start off the line, a must-have when every millisecond counts. Frame and chassis. The backbone of this monster is its lightweight aluminum perimeter frame, re-engineered for 2026. Kawasaki reduced frame flex while improving cornering stability. This updated frame enhances front-end traction and rear-wheel drive, giving riders total control in aggressive turns and rough terrain. But the real story here is balance. The KX450's weight distribution is near perfect, offering unbeatable maneuverability whether you're jumping, scrubbing, or cutting through tight ruts. Suspension. In motocross, suspension can make or break your race. That's why Kawasaki worked closely with Showa to equip the KX450 with top-tier suspension components. Up front, you get 49mm Showa coil spring forks with A-kit technology, straight from Kawasaki's factory racing program. These deliver smoother damping, excellent mid-stroke support, and high adjustability for any terrain. At the rear, the Uni-Track Showa shock with revised linkage ratios ensures superb stability and improved traction under acceleration. Every bump, every landing, every ripple on the track, the 2026 KX450 eats it alive with confidence. Braking and wheels. When you're flying down a dirt straight at top speed, you need brakes that trust you back. Kawasaki's equipped the 2026 KX450 with a 270mm front disc and 240mm rear disc, both paired with Bractec calipers for exceptional stopping power. This combination provides precise modulation, letting riders brake later and dive harder into turns, shaving off precious seconds every lap. The Did Dirt Star wheels wrapped in Dunlop MX-33 tires deliver the perfect combo of grip, durability, and control. Whether it's deep sand or sticky clay, this setup gives you total traction confidence. Electronics. The 2026 KX450 isn't just muscle, it's smart. For the first time, Kawasaki has integrated advanced ride connectivity through the Kawasaki Radiology app. Using your smartphone, you can adjust fuel mapping, monitor performance data, and even customize power delivery for different track conditions. Add in selectable engine maps, and you've got a motocross bike that adapts to your riding style instantly, from smooth technical tracks to high-speed circuits. It's modern, intuitive, and totally race-focused. Ergonomics, comfort and control, that's where Kawasaki always shines. The 2026 KX450 continues with its adjustable handlebar and footpeg positions, letting riders fine-tune their stance for optimal control and comfort. The flat seat profile and narrow fuel tank improve mobility, allowing you to shift your weight effortlessly through corners and jumps. Kawasaki also focused on rider feedback, refining the grip texture, peg surface, and control levers for better tactile precision. Every small detail works together to keep you in total command. Design. Let's be honest, when you roll up to the track, looks matter too. The 2026 KX450 is pure aggression on wheels, from its sleek, aerodynamic plastics to the signature lime green bodywork that screams Kawasaki heritage. The new minimalist front fender, slimmer side panels, and updated graphics package make it one of the cleanest, most aggressive motocross designs Kawasaki has ever created. This isn't just a bike, it's a visual declaration that you mean business. Performance test. When you twist the throttle on the 2026 KX450, everything you thought you knew about motocross changes. Early test riders report unmatched throttle precision, a wider power band, and razor-sharp cornering behavior. The chassis feels planted yet agile, allowing for smoother transitions between berms and straights. Acceleration is explosive, yet fully controllable, and that's where Kawasaki's engineering shines. This isn't just an update, it's a complete transformation of the KX experience. Competition comparison. How does it stack up against the competition? Against the Honda CRF 450R, Yamaha YZ450F, and KTM 450SXF, the new KX450 holds its ground with confidence. While others push for high-end electronics or lightweight designs, Kawasaki focused on balance, reliability, and rider feel. The 2026 model is lighter, more powerful, and more planted than its rivals in real-world track testing. It's not just about peak horsepower, it's about usable power, and that's where the KX450 shines brightest. Maintenance and durability. Motocross bikes take a beating, but Kawasaki built this machine to handle abuse. The reinforced clutch housing, high-durability piston coatings, and revised cooling system mean longer intervals between major maintenance. Access points for air filter, oil changes, and chain adjustments are quicker than ever, perfect for racers and weekend riders alike. Simply put, it's engineered for endurance, season after season. Price and availability. So, how much does all this power and technology cost? The 2026 Kawasaki KX450 is expected to hit showrooms in mid-2025 with an estimated starting price around $10,999 USD, depending on region and dealer. Markup. That's a serious value for a bike offering this level of performance and innovation straight out of the crate.